Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is Wednesday. Y hay que estar felices. We have to be happy. Okay, today we are going to have classes and we are going to start with the lesson 1. Okay, pay attention. We are in science class in the lesson 1. Okay. Okay, we are going to start. Okay, the lesson 1 of the book, first graders. Today we are going to work in the book. Para papi y mami ya vamos a empezar a usar el libro. Y pues the lesson 1 is talk about to be a scientist. Be a scientist is the topic. Look, this is the beginning of the book, and the book talk about the chapter 1. The chapter 1. Yes, the chapter 1. Learning about living things. Living things. Page 26. Página 26. Page 26. Okay? What is a living and not living thing? Today we are going to see the difference between the two things. Living things, non-living things. Okay? And this is the definition of non-living. ¿Qué dice? Vamos a ver. Things do not grow and change. Things do not grow and change. Non-living. Non-living things. Things do not grow and change. They do not need food. No food, water, or air to survive. Non-living things no grow and change and do not need food, water, or air to survive. Okay? Look. Living things. Ahora las living. Living things. What is living things? Warriors, for example, the plants need air, water, and nutrients. Repeat after me. Nutrients. 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 We need nutrients, right? Sunlight and space to live and grow. Space to live and grow. Grow. For example, one plant grow, right? Plants grow where they get what they need to survive. Look at the example. Look. Doesn't matter the space, if it's in the desert or in the water, the plants grow and survive. Why? Because they are living things. Okay, examples of living and no living things. Me voy a poner por aquí, córrase, mister, ¿qué se hizo, mister? Okay, living things. For example, baby or boy, donkey or animals, the trees, the flowers, non-living things. For example, the teddy bear is a non-living thing, the jar, the cup or glass, and the fan is not living thing, porque no crece ni necesita comida. Non-living things and living things. More examples of living things and not living things. Living things. The flowers is living. The dog is living. The boy is living. The flower is living. The mosquito is living. The fish is living. The tree living. The elephant is living. Bacterias, living things, trees, right? And plants, living. And the butterfly, mister, is living thing. Okay. living things. For example, the animals, ya lo habíamos visto, the animals, and the people, right? One person or the people, the family is living. Non-living things. The table is not living. The lamp, the chair, or the car. The car is not living. No porque se mueva, ¿verdad? Si se mueve, alguien lo va manejando. But the car is not living, first graders. Okay. More living things. Living things. Mushrooms, right? Animals. More animals and the humans. It's clear? The plants, the animals, and the humans are living things. Repeat after me. Living things. Living things. Okay? More living things. They move, they grow, they reproduce, and they need air and water to survive. Okay, living things. Look at this definition. Living things eat, breathe, grow, and reproduce. Living things eat, breathe, grow, and reproduce. Non-living things. Non-living things do not eat, breathe, and grow and reproduce. For example, no living things, the rock, the scissor, the cake, right? The animals and the humans are living things. Do you understand, warriors? Living and not living things. 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 Okay. Let's go. The rock is living or not living? Hello? The guitar is living or not living? Is living or mosquito? Living or not living? Not living. I'm making evaluation. The toilet, repeat, toilet, is living or not living? One snake is living or not living? Pay attention. The dinosaur, oh, is living or not living? Is living. And was living, right? Okay, let's go to the classwork. Okay, in the classwork, you will need a notebook. Papi y mami tenemos que preparar el cuaderno. You need a classwork. In the classwork, we are going to repeat in the notebook these words. In one page, living, not living. Living, not living. Living, non-living. Living, non-living. Living, not living. Okay? This is the homework, the classwork for today. Copy in the notebook, living, non-living. All the page. Papi y mami, tienen que repetir estas palabras en el cuaderno en una hoja. ¿Ok? Esa sería la primera classwork y no la deben de mandar aún. Solamente tienen que desarrollarla en el cuaderno. Ok, repeat. Voy a hacer un repaso. I'm going to make a review. Ok, pay attention. I'm going to make a review. We have to see the living and the not living things. Okay? For example, de nuevo, review. Living, these animals, the human, the plants, and the animals, right? Insect too. And not living, things that don't move, don't breathe, don't need water, and don't need to survive anything, okay? living things. Flowers, animals, bacteria, plants, and more animals. Insect too. Living, non-living. Remember that non-living are things that they don't move, right? Don't breathe, don't reproduce, and don't need water. The cow needs food, right? It's eating. Miren, ahí está comiendo. The elephant needs food. These things, no, don't work with food. For example, these need electricity, and these need gasoline, right? It's different. Okay? More living things. Observe. Mírenlas, por favor. Observe. Living things. Living things. Non-living things. Non-living things do not eat, breathe, grow, and reproduce. Tienen que aprenderse esto, ¿eh? Non-living things do not eat, breathe, grow, and reproduce. Living things eat, breathe, grow, and reproduce. This is positive. They need to breathe, eat, grow, and reproduce. Do not. Remember. Okay? The rock is not living. The guitar is not living. The toilet is not living. The snake living. Dinosaur living. Okay, and remember the classwork. Okay? Okay, people. Okay, warriors, do your homework, do your classwork, do your classwork, please. Pay attention and see you in the next class. Love you so much. This is the video lesson 1 of the book. If you have questions, si papi y mami tienen preguntas, me pueden escribir. O aquí mismo en la plataforma también le contestamos. ¿Ok? No deben de mandar nada a papi y mami aún. Solamente verificar que trabaje usando el renglón en orden, las letras que suben y las letras que bajan, ¿ok? Eso para orden. Más adelante vamos a hacer un pequeño albumcito en el cuaderno, ¿verdad? Probablemente para el viernes si tenemos clase. Vamos a la siguiente clase que corresponde según el horario. Vamos a hacer un pequeño álbum. Yo lo voy a, igual lo voy a mandar en el video cómo lo vamos a desarrollar, padres, para que me ayuden a hacer ese material, a recortes pequeños en el cuaderno, ¿ok? Entonces ya les voy adelantando. Eso sería Science First Grade para el viernes, ¿verdad? Pueden ir también en su cuaderno acompañando las palabras que van con living, con imágenes asociadas y non living. Okay, warriors, see you in the next class. Love you so much. Bye bye and bye.